Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up the File Manager app, which is at least for me right over here. And from the app, go into the folder right here, icon. And this will give you both of these storages, so you can go to either one, I believe. So there's the internal storage, and you have to tap on the drop down to select the SD card. Now, when you're trying to move photos, videos that you've captured with the phone's camera, they will always be located under the DCIM folder, which is right over here. And it looks like screenshots are also in here. So there's screen recording and camera, as you can see. So that's where you can find all the camera related stuff. Then you have downloads, which will contain anything that you have downloaded through a browser or your email. And then you also have folders like movies, music, pictures, which usually contains items that you have placed there yourself. So all the files in there will usually be placed by you. So probably you know that they're in there. And that's about all you need to know. And both of those folders, or all those folders, can also be found on your SD card. So as you can see, we're now on internal, and if I go to the SD, I still have the DCIM, downloads, music, movies, pictures. So all of them are still here. And once you find your files that you want to move, which for example, I'm going to use some photos and the camera folder right here. When you enter, you can see that all the files have this circle, so you can simply tap on it to check them. Now, you could select several of them, like so, assuming you only want a few. If you want all of them, you could either go with selecting every file by tapping right here, or you can also go back and select the entire camera folder by just holding it, and it also becomes selected like so. Whichever way you do it, whichever way is more convenient to you, it's completely up to you. I'm gonna just select a couple of photos though, so it's quicker. And once they selected, now you have the options on the bottom. So you have move, and if you tap on more, you will also have copy. Now each option does what basically it says it does, either moves it, so removes it from here, moves it to a new location, or copies, which creates additional sets of those files. Whichever one you choose, again, it's completely up to you, whatever your need might be. I'm gonna go with move right here, so let's tap on that, and then it opens up select folder, so I can move it either to the internal storage, which the files are right now on, or to the SD card, which that's actually what I'm gonna choose. So SD card, and then just to keep it organized, I'm gonna go back to the DCIM, and instead of dropping it in the camera folder where it originated from on the internal, I'm just gonna pop it right here. So once you're in the location that you want to drop your files in, simply tap on paste. And you can see that they appear in here and now they're moved. So if I go back to the internal storage right here, you'll see that, well, these couple of files that were right here were now gone. There's still way more in here, but the ones that I moved, the 4 or 5, however many I had selected, are now in a completely new location on the device right over here. And the same process works for any kind of file. It doesn't need to be photos, it can be music, documents, anything, you name it. So that is basically how you do it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.